Okay, today I'm going to make another log video. I think this log video I will go a bit further. I will choose those questions I think is not so familiar for SPM student and will be slightly harder for SPM student. And actually I took the books from I took the question from this book. Yeah, this is a very good books and yes, actually this is the question from Cambridge O level, which I think is in the syllabus of IGCSE, which is one of the O level. Yeah, anyways, I think the log question, the concept is almost the same. And SPM, like from last year onward, they love to give something like HOT questions, means the KBAT question, mean higher order thinking skill question. It's the hard question, so-called is a hard question. And I got a lot of requests from students that they hope actually I can post some hot questions to help them like score better in the SPM. So yeah, so this video I choose those questions I think is a bit hard and a bit uncommon for SPM student. Yes, I hope actually this video can help you like gain better skill in log. Yeah, maybe you can do better in log. Alright, do not waste time. Yeah, let me go into the question. Actually I prepared few questions, but I'm not sure do I have enough time to like present all to you in this video or not. Alright, anyways, yeah, this question is it given that log 2 p and log 4 y log 2x equals to p and log 4 y equals to q, and then it asks you to express the following in terms of p and q. Means what? When you solve this one, your final answer must be equal to something p and something q, or only p or q. Okay, means you can no longer have log in your answer because it says in terms of x are p and q. But then when they say in terms of p and q, means your answer can still accept with the number. For example, you can have 4p minus 2q. Still in terms of p and q with the number is okay. Right, so okay, let me solve the first one. The first one is pretty simple. So I'm going to do this one A. So I have log 2x multiple y. xy equals to x multiple y, right? The log rule tells us that multiple actually become plus or addition. So become plus log 2y. Okay, this is simple rule of log. You must understand this one. Alright, and then log 2x equals to p. Yes, I already solved this one. This is p. It's pretty simple. Plus. However, this is log 2y. I do not have log 2y over here. Here is log 4y. So first thing coming to my mind is I have to change the base for this one. Okay, I hope you know how to change base. So you just draw a line. If you want the log 4, you just write log 4 over log 4 here. Alright, I say the bigger number you write on the top and the base actually write at the bottom. Alright, so this is p plus log 4y is q. Yes, it's q over. Okay, now this is the problem. Log 4, 2. You either change base again to base 2 over base 2, or if you understand, 2 actually is equals to square root of 4. 2 actually equals to square root of 4, isn't it? So actually I can change the 2 into the square root of 4. However, I also know square root of 4 equals to 4 power of half. Alright, so I will do something like this. I say this one is log 4. So 4 power of half. Do you see how I change the 2 into the 4 power of half? Yes, if you understand this one, I can move slightly further. Alright, so this one will become p plus q over 1 over 2. Log 4, the power we can move in front, right? So become 1 over 2, and log 4 will get 1. And q divided by 1 over 2, you will have p plus 2q. Okay, finish for the first one. However, some students might think, how am I going to understand, or how am I going to know in the exam 2 equals to square root 4? Then you can do the other way. Just now I say you can change this one into the base 2. You change the base again for log 4 2. I change the base 2 and base 2. This is 2 and 4. Log 2 is equal to 1. Log 2 4 will equals to 2. Okay, you should know this one will equals to 2. Why? Because What I always say is this is 2 power of 2, isn't it? 4 is 2 power of 2. You move the 2 in front, you have 2 multiple log 2. And log 2 is equals to 1. So you will get 2. So that's why I will get 2. Alright, this is very basic. So yeah, this is a proper step, and this is some explanation. Yeah, I hope this help you to understand the A. Alright, I'm going to go to B. Alright, B is log 4 x over y. You know this is x divided by y, right? For log rule, divide, we know actually we will get minus. Alright, log 4y is equal to q. This is pretty simple. This is equal to q. Alright, and log 4x, I do not have log 4x, but I have log 2x. So I know I have to change base to base 2 and base 2. I say bigger number, I mean this one look bigger because compared to this one, this is smaller. Okay, right at the top, and base right at the bottom. Alright, this is log 2x is equals to p. Just now I say this one will equals to 2 because this is log 2 square. You can move the square in front, become 2, 1. Alright, you get 2 minus q. Done. Alright, then I go to the next one. Next one, C. What is C? I have log x, 4 and y. Alright, so this is multiple. So I know whenever this is multiple, it will become plus. So I expand it, become log x 4 plus log x y. Alright, then what? Then you have some problem. This is base x. You do not want base x, you want either base 2 or base 4. However, this is x. For x, I only want base 2 because base 4 is for y. You should understand this. So first thing I change the base to base 2. This is log 2. This is how I change base. You just remember, draw a line and write down whatever log you want. Alright, then bigger one right at the top, smaller one right at the bottom. Alright, plus. This one have x and y, so you want to change the base 2 or base 4, it doesn't matter because later you will need base 2 and base 4 also. So, but when I have the chance to choose 4 or 2, I always will choose the largest number because it will be easier later. So I choose log 4. So always choose the largest one. Okay, so this one will be y over x. Okay, this is simple. Because log 2 4 is equal to 2 and log 2x is equal to p. Alright, log 4y, it's not it's plus. Log 4y equal to q. However, this is log 4x, isn't it? Log 4x, I say this one you can change to log base 2 and base 2 because x we always need to have base 2. And this is x, this is 4. Alright, then what? Then this is 2 over p plus. This one is q over log 2x, it will be p, and this one will be 2. Alright, so this one is 2 over p plus. Alright, if you do not understand how to solve this one, you can do like this. This is q divided by p over 2, isn't it? Q divided by p over 2. Then divide, you can change to multiple, become 2 over p. We have to flip over the back one, isn't it? So it's q multiple 2 is 2q over p. Alright, this one will be slightly harder, but I hope you can actually understand what I'm doing there. Alright, last D. Yeah, if you have any question, you can post a comment either on my YouTube or on my Facebook to ask me about which part you cannot understand. Alright, and D. Okay, we have the problem on D here because we do not have log at all. And a lot of students think that, oh, maybe I can add the log by myself. You just add the log 4, x squared over 4 over x squared y, or log 2. This is wrong. Because what? You cannot simply add the log if you do not have the equal sign. Unless you have log 2y equals to any number, 1. Okay, then you can add log for both sides. Okay, however, if you do not have the equal sign over here, you cannot simply add the log to it just because you want. Because you add the log into it, you will get a totally different answer. Alright, so what I will do is, I will start to change from here. Mean I make x as a subject here, I move the log 2 to the other side. This one I make y as subject, and then I move the log to the other side. Alright, so what do I mean is like this. This is log log 2x equals to p. Log rule tells us that log base 2 over here will become 2 power of p. Okay, this is the log rule. Alright, and then for log 4, y equals to q. So log rule tells us that log base 4 here, I move to this number, the base will become number, and the q over here become the power. This is a rule, okay? Then I have x and y already. Then I just substitute in x squared y equals to my x squared my y. What is my x? X is 2 power of p. And my y will be 4 power of q. This is 2 power of 2p. Alright, if I want to change this one become the same base, I'm going to call it 2 power of 2q because 4 is 2 power of 2. Then they are the same base number, right? So it's 2p plus 2q. Done. Right, the last one is slightly different, but the idea is the same. So yeah, this one, don't simply add a log into it, because when I mark the exam paper, a lot of students they love to simply add a log. You can do that if you have the equal sign, but if you do not have the equal sign, please don't do that, okay? Okay, do not waste your time. We're going to go to the second question. Alright. This question is quite similar with the question we did just now, the first question. Alright. Given that log 2a equals to p, express this one and this one in terms of p. That means same thing. Now you have to express this one, make sure your answer have p over there, and make sure your answer do not have log anymore. Alright. So yeah, start from the first one. I'm going to call this one first one. Log 2 4a power of 3. Alright. The log rule tells us that this is multiple. We can always change to plus. Log 2 4 plus. Log 2 a power of 3. Just remember, multiple you can change to plus, divide you can change to minus. Alright, so log 2 4, let me just step by step this 2 power of 2. Actually I know the whole thing will equals to 2, but just to show you more step. And this one, log rule tells us the power we can move in front. This is 3 log 2a. Alright, power you can move in front, isn't it? So this is 2 log 2 equals to 1 plus 3 log 2a equals to p. So answer equals to 2 plus 3p. Simple for the first one. Okay, then for the second one, what I have is log 8 square root of a. Alright, so for this one, of course the first thing is you have to understand square root actually mean a power of 1 over 2. If cube root, just power of 1 over 3. This is simple indices. Yeah, you make sure you understand this. However, okay, we can move the power in front. So it will become half. So this one will be log 8a. But I cannot change this one to p because what? P is base 2, this is base 8. So first thing coming to my mind is I know I have to change base. So it will become, I say change base, just write whatever log you want over whatever log you want. Log 2 over log 2. A right on the top, the base right at the bottom. Alright, so you have half. Okay, this is p. And log 2a is equal to 3. So it's p over 6. However, if you're not sure why log 2a will equal to 3, I'm going to show you. Because log 2, 8 is equal to 2 power of 3. So you can move the 3 in front, become 3, log 2 is 1. Alright, so yeah, if you understand, it's pretty simple. Let's say log 2 16 equals to 4, because this is 2 power of 4, isn't it? So if you have log 2 32, this equals to 5. You have log 2 64, this one equals to 6, because this is 2 power of 6. So next time, when you see something like log 3 9, you know this is 3 squared, isn't it? Equals to 2. If you get something like log 3 27, this one equals to 3. Alright, this is something very basic about log, but it's going to help you a lot. It means when you solve this one. Because if you want to change base for this one, again, you can do that. You just, oh no, yeah, I mean you want to do step by step, yeah, you can do that. But if you understand, you can do very fast. Alright, this is the second question. Okay, I'm going to go into the third question. Third question will be slightly different, but the idea is still the same. Alright, this is the third question. Okay, given that log 3 2 equals to 0.631. Alright, evaluates this one, and this one. So basically, in this kind of questions, alright, yeah, you're going to use the information given. Even sometimes you can use a calculator to solve, but then because it gives you this one, means what? In order to evaluate these three questions, you have to make sure you use the information given. Alright, so just a quick one. I'm going to call this number 1, number 2, and number 3. So number 1, or I call it I, looks easier. Okay, log 3, 6. Okay, what I mean is, okay, first thing you must understand, you can change the 6 to 2 multiple 3. Okay, so this is log 3, this is 2 multiple 3. Dot on the middle means multiple. Alright, this one will become multiple is log 3, 2 plus log 3, 3. Alright, log 3, 2 is 0.631 and log 3, 3 is equal to 1. So answer is 1.631. Done. Alright, it's not that bad. So, but why I change to multiple 3? Because I want to get log 3, 2. I need a 2 here. And then first thing come to my mind is for 6 is 2 multiple 3. So this is like, yeah, it's something like common sense. But yeah, you must get the idea. Alright, for the second one. Okay, this is log 3, 2.25. Alright, over here, because what? In order to solve this kind of question, I will need 3 and 2. So I will try to figure out 2.25. How to use any number, like divide any number, I can get something related to 3 and 2. Because it's so important to understand this. If you relate to 5, you're not going to solve something like log 3, 5. Because yeah, you can't do that. Of course, you can change to base 10 now, you can still do that. But the easiest way come to my mind is I know 2.25 is equals to 9 over 4. Because 9 is 3 square, 4 is 2 square. So I have something related to 3 and 2. Then I guess it will be easier for me. So I'm going to do something like this. This is log 3, 9 minus, because it's divide. This is log 3, 4. Alright, I say log 3, 9 equals to 2. Alright, if you're not sure, you just like see the example just now. Alright, this one, I know 4 I can change to 2 power of 2. Alright, this is 2 minus 2 log 3, 2. And I know actually log 3, 2 is equals to 0.631. Alright, then you just use the calculator to solve this one. You should be able to get the answer easily. This is 2 minus 2 multiple 0.631. Yeah, I guess you'll get the answer is 0.738. Alright, I hope you can understand this. Yeah, it's not so hard. I think the hardest part for this question is you must get the idea is 9 over 4. Yeah, but if you can simplify like step by step, you can do something like 225 over 100, and then you simplify one by one. At the end, you'll still get 9 over 4. Alright, the third one. Alright, the third one is log square root 3, 6. Yes, when have the square root in base, a lot of students will panic like, how am I going to solve this sort of question? Actually, it's the same thing. Because you learn about indices, you know square root actually means power 1 over 2. So you don't need to worry so much on it. Alright, so first thing is, I know in order to get this one, I must have base 3. So first thing I will do, I will change base. So I will change this one to log base 3 and log base 3. This one will be 6 and square root of 3. Alright. Log 3, 6, actually we did just now, but I just, log 3, 6 will equals to this one. Yeah, we did it. I'm not going to do again, so it's equal to 1.631. Okay, over this one, I say square root means power of half. Then we can move the 1 over 2 in front. So it will become 1.631 over 1 over 2, because log 3, 3 will get you 1. This one means when you divide by 1 over 2 means the whole thing multiple 2. Alright, so you will have 2 multiple 1.631. So you will get 2623 point. Yeah, I think this is the answer. Alright, this is the third question. Okay, it's already 20 minutes. I'm going to show you the last one. Right, I hope this substitution thingy, like how to expand, how to change base, after these 3 questions, yeah, I hope you at least you slightly like familiar about how to change base and what is the first thing coming to your mind when you see the question like that. Alright, the last one. This one is a bit long question, so I think I might need 5 minutes to explain about this one. Alright, it's quite similar like last few questions. He gives you log 2x equals to a and log 8y equals to b, and then he asks you to express x squared, y, and x over y. Alright, actually it's quite simple. So the first thing is this is information. I'm going to use it later. So you just, because those information given, I mean those information which are given, yeah, you just use it. Okay, and then I ask you do this one. So I know this is the first thing I need to do. So I'm going to call the first one. I want to do something like x squared y. So I want to express x squared y. So means I need to get x squared. So from here, I try to make x as a subject like just now. X equals to a. So x will equals to 2 power of a. Alright. Then log 8 y is equals to b. So y will equals to 8 power of b. And I know a actually is 2 power of 3 b. Alright, until here this is a simple log. Alright, but this is not yet the answer. Because what? He asks you express x squared y as a power of 2. That means your answer must be 2 power of something. So in order to get 2 power of something, this is the reason why I change everything in 2. Alright, then only I do a substitution. So x squared y will equals to, my x is this one. Do you see my x? I substitute into here. 2 power of a square, x square. Y is 2 power of 3b. Then, you know this one is 2 power of 2a plus 3b. Because multiple in indices mean plus in their power. Alright. Okay, same thing here. I have x over y. My x is 2 power of a. And my y is 2 power of 3b. Indices tell us that minus actually divide actually mean minus. Alright, this is x over y. Alright, so yeah, we have done the first part because it say express as a power of 2. You see, power of 2. Alright, then given further, if x squared y equal to 32, mean when this one equals to 32, this is x squared y, isn't it? When x squared y equals to 32, so yeah, I'm going to do further. So when x squared y equals to 32. So what I have is, yeah, x squared y is 2 power of 2a plus 3b. And I know 32 is 2 power of 5. Alright, I will get the first equation here, 2a plus 3b equals to 5. Then just do the simultaneous equation for this one. Maybe I make a as a subject, so a will equals to 5 minus 3b over 2. Alright, I'm going to call this one first equation because I already foresee this one is simultaneous equation because it asks us to find the values of a and b. In order to find 2 unknown, you need 2 equations. Alright, the second information, x over y equals 0.5, means this one will equal to 0.5, isn't it? So I'm going to do something like this. X over y equals to 0.5. Alright, x over y, I already solved it. Is 2 power of a minus 3b. And 0.5 is 1 over 2. Why I change this one to 1 over 2? Because later I can change this one to 2 power of negative 1. Alright, you must understand this one. 1 over 2 is 2 power of negative 1. Because everything have the same base, I can straight away compare their power, isn't it? So 2a minus 3b equals to 2 power of negative 1. So a minus 3b equals to negative 1. This is the second equation. Then I'm going to substitute my first equation into the second equation. So what I do over here is 5 minus 3b over 2 minus 3b equals to negative 1. I multiple 2 for every single one because I have over 2. So 5 minus 3b minus 6b equals to negative 2. Mean I multiple 2 for every single one here. Alright, it's not so hard to understand. Alright, so yeah, minus 3b minus 6b, you got minus 9b. And 5, positive 5 move to the other side, minus 5 will be minus 7. So B will equal to 7 over 9. Alright, then I'm going to substitute my B back into my A. Alright, because I already find the answer of B. So A will equal to 5 minus 3, 7 over 9 over 2. Okay, you just use your calculator to solve this one. I believe you get the answer is 4 over 3. Okay, yeah, this question is a bit long, but the idea and concept is the same, because this question actually need like very good understanding about indices and log in order to solve this one. And the most important part is, yeah, you have to understand the question. Yeah, because I believe most of the SPM students like never see something like as the power of 2. So this is the meaning for as a power of 2, means your answer must 2 power something, like this one. Right? Yeah, this is yeah, it's 26 minute video. Yeah, I hope this video can let you understand better about log. Yeah, most of the thing you will see something like substitution, and then most of the time they will ask you like solve your question in terms of A, B, or in terms of X, Y, in terms of P or Q, something like that. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyway, thanks for watching.